This is the Cel-Fi Go M booster kit by Nextivity. The outer label here shows the contents. Let's open the box and take a closer look at everything. Like many products, we have a quick start guide first. This shows you details about the installation and setup. Next up is the heavy-duty Cel-Fi Go amplifier. This has a NEMA 4 enclosure and connections, which comes from the National Electrical Manufacturers Association. They define standards used in North America for various grades of electrical enclosures. Antenna connectors on this are SMA female. There's also these ridges all around the hardware which help with dispersing the heat. Just underneath the amplifier is a baggie of mounting screws and other related hardware. Then we have the DC power cable here that connects to the cigarette lighter adapter in your vehicle. An AC power supply is also available should you want to use the kit in a fixed location. Check out the link in the description if needed. Moving on, I'll remove this cardboard to get to the rest of the contents. That includes the interior patch antenna. This is a thin, lightweight antenna that will be seated somewhere near your cellular devices. It has a short cable attached that is about 12 feet long. Over here we have the top to the exterior antenna. This screws onto the magnetic base, which we have right here. This has a shorter cable of about 10 feet. We'll show you a quick demo so you can see what it looks like put together. That's all there is to the Cel-Fi Go M kit. If you're interested in learning more, reach out to our team by phone, email, or chat. And be sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.